So today I'm going to show you how to build a packing checklist app from scratch using Claude, and I'm going to do the whole thing live. So the idea is simple. You pick a trip type, beach holiday, business trip, camping weekend, and it gives you a full list of everything you need to pack. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make this yourself, no coding needed, so let's get into it. Okay, so now we are in Claude and we are gonna type something very nice and simple, and that is build me a packing app where I pick a trip type and it generates a checklist with tick boxes using HTML. Now HTML is the crucial bit here. Using HTML is gonna make building the app and getting it live so much faster. So we're gonna hit enter and see what it built. Now this is what we have so far. So as you can see, we've got a nice travel.io look. I like the branding, I think it looks fine. Again, if I wanted to change the branding, I can easily tell Claude to do that. I can see we can click beach holiday, city break, business, camping, ski, and even backpacking. So let's just go on beach. Let's say I've just packed my passport, packed my sunglasses and light cover up. That all looks good. I'm pretty happy with that, but I want to implement a system where if we don't need to theoretically take a passport because we might be staying in the same country, then we can just delete the passport from that checklist. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to say, add a feature that allows users to cross out certain checkboxes in case they don't need to pack something for their specific holiday. So we're just going to hit enter and see what happens. Okay, so it has just generated. We're going to click the packing up to see what's happened. Now we should have now an update. So if we don't want to use a passport, we can just press X and it deletes from the checklist. We can then click phone charger. Let's say we don't need wallet because we might not be spending any money, which is highly unlikely. We can press X and delete it. So the packing checklist is basically built. I'm happy for it to go live. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to the top right corner and click download as HTML. Click that and it downloads, as simple as that. Now, sometimes sites will ask you to rename it as index.html. We don't need to worry about that. So now I want it live so I can open it on my phone. So I'm gonna head over to TinyHost and I'm just gonna drag my project file straight in. So we just go over to upload file again, click the index.html, and let's just call this travel.io, hit publish, and literally within seconds, it's live. And as well, it has its own link. So let's just click view, and it took seconds. So I can always use this link before I'm traveling to click the trip type that I want to go on, and then also make sure that I've packed everything correctly. So the great thing about TinyHost is you can either have this app to be public or private. So if we wanted it to be private, we would just update the settings, go to access mode, change to password protected, and we can just change this to have a password. So if anyone wants to click this link and use the app, they have to know the password protection. Now this is a great thing because sometimes using other applications to get your app live, you might have to code in a password protection in the app, and usually vibe coding it just won't make it secure. So it's great to have that feature built in anyway to keep your projects private and confidential. And there we go, a fully working packing checklist app built with Claude and hosted on TinyHost. So drop a comment telling me what trip you would build a list for first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.